Let's talk about a quick and easy way to get a tan tummy. Working remotely for over 12 years as a software developer, I know how hard it can be to find time and motivation to stay in shape. So I've researched YouTube for the best AB workouts to help you get the results you want. Today, I'll show you a simple 5-minute AB workout that's perfect for beginners. No fancy equipment or experience needed, just a comfy spot and determination. I've tried many AB workouts from YouTube, but most are too hard or long for beginners. I've also noticed that people are scared to start working out because they think they won't do the exercises right. That's why I made this video. I want to show you that a great workout can be done in just 5 minutes, and I want to help you overcome any fears or doubts you may have. This workout is easy and effective, and you can modify it to fit your fitness level. I encourage you to try this workout again in a few weeks and see how much you have improved. And if you're looking for more workouts videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Crunches are a classic AB exercise that works your rectus abdominis, the muscles that run along the front of your stomach. To do crunches, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands slightly behind your head. Curl your upper body towards your knees, using your abdominal muscles to lift your torso off the ground. Slowly lower back down to the starting position. Bicicle crunches are a variant of crunches that work your obliques, the muscles on the sides of your waist. To do bicicle crunches, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet off the floor. Bring your right knee towards your chest and twist your upper body to the left, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee. Switch sides and repeat. Russian twists are another great exercise for your obliques. To do Russian twist, sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet off the floor. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight. Place your hands together in front of your chest and twist your torso to the right, bringing your hands towards the floor. Switch sides and repeat. The plank is a great exercise for your entire core, including your rectus abdominis, obliques and transverse abdominis. To do plank, start in a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, rest on your forearms. Make sure your elbows are directly under your shoulders and your body is in a straight line from head to heels. Hold the position for 30 seconds. The side plank is a great exercise for your obliques and glutes. To do a side plank, lie on your side with your forearms on the ground and your elbow directly under your shoulder. Stack your feet and lift your hips up so that your body is in a straight line from head to heels. Hold the position for 30 seconds, then switch sides and repeat. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute AB workout for beginners. This workout is a great way to get started with AB exercises and build a strong core. With consistent practice, you'll notice a reduction in belly fat, improved posture, increased flexibility, reduced back pain, and enhanced athletic performance. And here is another great video that will help you to stay in shape even working remotely.